What's up guys, my name is Taba. I'm a medical student, which means I study at university, which means I live in accommodation. In this video, I'm here to show you a tour of my flat slash house. I don't know what it is, to be honest. First things first, obviously, mine's got the telecom right outside the door. I'm living in Middlesbrough at the minute, and you know, I'm not saying anything about Middlesbrough yet, but I feel safe knowing that I can speak to a person that wants to come into our house. I can find out if it's my Dixie chicken delivery or if it's some next level random up. Then upon entering the house, you can turn left into the kitchen slash lounge area where you'll find two comfy sofas, and there's enough space for all our bundles there, so that's great as well. There's a meh carpet and there's a square table where we can play all our games. You know, we love board games, man. We love playing Monopoly, Exploding Kittens, Gloom, Coop, you name it, baby. The TV with whatever many inch, it's okay. It's not the best for films. The audio is a bit the contrast on it is a bit it's a bit but it does the job. The lounge is nicely elevated compared to the rest of the space because I don't know, to be honest. I don't know why it's elevated, but it's nice. Dining table to eat. Now, right, this dining table is big, and you know, it's big enough for all 6 of us, but bro, the material of it is so, I hate it. I hate it because when I clean it, it's so hard to get all the dirt out. There's so many little crevices and little sort of dips in it, which makes it so hard to get all the dirt, salt, and just, it freaking frustrates me, man. But apart from that, it's nice having a big table to fit all 6 of us. We never really use it, but it's nice to know that if we wanted to use it, then it would fit all of us. So 6 chairs for 6 friends. Kitchen, we got all the cupboards, we got space. We had to buy our own toaster and kettle, which I thought was a bit of a madness. I don't know about you, I thought we would have that provided. We also have a dishwasher that came with the flat and an air fryer, which we bought ourselves. Our air fryer. Fridges and freezers, enough space for all of us, but sadly, not enough food, I think. So a bit of a sticky one still. That's pretty much it for the kitchen and lounge space. Onto the communal areas now. There's some stairs that lead to the other flats. Now, I'm not a creep, so I'm not going to show you that. But there's also a washing machine area. This is where I do my washing and drying, but as you see, I found myself in an unfortunate series of events because all the washing machines were taken.
Anas! So get him out! Anas! What are you in for, man?
But it's nice knowing that it's free. I don't have to pay anything. It's no, people at other university accommodations, they have to pay for their washing, bro. That's ridiculous. Then yeah, man, now onto a tour of my room, what everybody has been waiting for. Yeah, my bed takes up bloody half the space in my room. But now let's start with the most important bit. The ensuite, the toilet. I got my own toilet, I got my own shower. Yes, I can barely fit on it with my bloody big ass, but it's a fine. At least I can rest easy knowing that there's not going to be fecal impaction flying about. I've got my own ensuite, so I don't have to wait for anybody to use the toilet. That's a good thing. Unfortunately, my sink is quite small, so it's looking like we'll do in the shower settings. Wardrobe, it does the job. Contains like shelves for jeans, pajamas. What I don't like is I got my clothes hanging on the door. It just makes it hard to open and stuff. So yeah. Then the desk. Now, before you complain how messy my desk is, yeah, I've actually got something for you guys. Actually, I got a present. Shh. Just shush, yeah. I say empty desk, empty mind, yeah. Busy desk, busy mind. That's what I'm saying. I use my desk for like medicine work, YouTube work, all types of work. I get to enjoy the nice view of Middlesbrough as well from my desk, so it's quite nice. This space is where I normally film, so I got my lighting equipment, my boom stand, my tripod, Junaid's softbox. It's tight, but it does the job. Some more drawers where I keep my boxes, socks, scrubs, nuclear reactor generator. I got my perfumes on top, my skincare stuff. And then finally, my bed is queen size, I think. To be honest, I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know what size is it, but it bloody takes half up my room, so it's probably some Queen Cleopatra size. It's big. It's too big. When I'm entering my room, I have to proper like slalom and circle around my bed, dodge the lighting equipment, squeeze past the desk in my bed, and it's just a bit long. But at least I got my ensuite, meaning, you know, no fecal impaction flying about. And I like it. Yeah, it's good. I chose this as well just because of the view, really. That's why I chose it. I could have had another room, but I chose it, and I'm happy with it, alhamdulillah. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So subscribe for more videos every Sunday. If you guys did enjoy the video, then please drop a cheeky like, share with your friends, keep on supporting, keep on showing so much love. Honestly guys, I'm so grateful as well. Thank you guys so much. Cool. It's getting a bit rainy, so I'm gonna go inside. Bye.